What's the meaning of afraid? Afraid. 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 Afraid means to feel frightened or scared about something that might happen or is happening. It is a feeling of uneasiness and apprehension. When someone is afraid, they may experience physical symptoms such as sweating, increased heart rate, or trembling. This emotion can be triggered by a wide range of situations such as danger, the unknown, or a threat to one's safety or well-being. Ultimately, being afraid can cause a person to avoid certain situations or take measures to protect themselves from harm.